what if the real opportunity with AI isn't using it, but knowing how to use it better than everyone else? Right now, thousands of beginners are trying to make money with AI tools. Most fail, not because the opportunity isn't real, but because they copy what everyone else is doing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $500 in 7 days using AI, but in a way that builds real skill, real leverage, and real long-term income. No hype, no shortcuts. Just a clear, strategic blueprint. Let's break this down. Part 1. Stop selling AI writing. Most beginners make the same mistake. They go to Fiverr, they see people offering blog posts, resumes, or scripts, and they think, I'll just use AI and do the same thing. Here's the problem. Clients are not paying for words, they're paying for outcomes. A business owner doesn't want a blog post. They want traffic, leads, and sales. So instead of selling, I will write blog posts using AI, you position yourself as, I help small businesses get more website traffic with SEO content. See the difference? One is a commodity, the other is a solution. AI is just your tool. The value is in how you use it strategically. That's how you avoid competing with thousands of cheap sellers. Part 2. Pick a micro niche. If you want to make $500 fast, don't target everyone. Pick one small, specific niche. For example, real estate agents, fitness coaches, Shopify store owners, local dentists, YouTube automation channels. Why? Because specificity builds trust. If your gig says, I write content for businesses, you look generic. But if it says, I write SEO blog posts for real estate agents to generate local leads, now you sound specialized, and specialization lets you charge more. AI makes it easy to research any niche. You can ask, what are the biggest marketing challenges for real estate agents? What keywords do local dentists struggle to rank for? What content converts best for Shopify stores? Now you're not just a writer, you're a strategist with AI support. Part 3. Use AI like a professional. Here's where most people use AI wrong. They type one sentence, copy the output, and deliver it. That's lazy, and clients can tell. Instead, use a 4-step method. Step 1. Research. Ask AI for competitor analysis, keyword ideas, audience pain points. Step 2. Structure. Ask it to create an outline focused on conversion or SEO. Step 3. Generate the content section by section, not all at once. Step 4. Upgrade. Ask AI to improve clarity, add examples, strengthen calls to action. Then you manually edit. Add personality, add flow, remove robotic phrases. Now your work feels premium, not automated. This is how you justify $40, $60, even $100 per order. Part 4. The $500 in 7 days execution plan. Let's make this practical. If your goal is $500 in 7 days, here's the math. Option 1. 10 clients at $50 each. Option 2. 5 clients at $100 each. Instead of waiting for orders to magically appear, do outreach. Go to Instagram pages in your niche LinkedIn business profiles. Small business websites. Send a short message. Hey, I noticed your website isn't ranking for local keywords. I help niche businesses create SEO content that brings in leads. Would you like a free content idea for your site? Most won't reply. That's normal. But if you message 50 businesses per day for 5 days, you only need a few yeses. And once you deliver great work, you turn one client into repeat income. That's how you move from $500 once to $500 per week. Part 5. Turn it into long-term income. Here's what separates short-term hustlers from long-term earners. They productize their service. Instead of one blog post for $50, offer 4 blog posts per month for $180. Now you have recurring revenue, Stack 5 monthly clients, so that's $900 per month, with AI doing 60 to 70% of the heavy lifting. And as your skills improve, you raise your rates. AI is not the opportunity. Leverage is. The people who win in 2026 aren't the ones who use AI. They're the ones who use it strategically. If you want the next video, I'll break down exactly how to land your first paying client in 48 hours. See you there.